The Federalists and Anti-Federalists are very important to understand. The Federalists are the nationalists who, in the 1780s, criticized the structure of government under the Articles of Confederation and argued that there had to be a stronger central government. The Federalists were successful in getting Congress to call for a convention in Philadelphia to meet to consider amending the Articles of Confederation. The people who become the Anti-Federalists are the states' rights advocates who were generally happy with the state sovereignty of the Articles of Confederation. The Anti-Federalists and the state ratifying conventions were outspoken in their criticism of the national government as being too powerful and as not protecting the individual. They sent a series of proposed amendments to the first Congress. The Federalists were opposed to the Bill of Rights for several different reasons, led by Alexander Hamilton, who was an author of the Federalist Papers, and by James Wilson, who was a leading Federalist in Philadelphia. They argued that the Constitution was a document of enumerated specific powers. To enumerate means to write out, to elaborate. Therefore, since in Article 1, Section 8, there was no enumerated power for Congress to regulate the press or restrict religion or do anything, there was no danger. Isn't it dangerous to sit down, specify all those rights that are identified with the liberties of the people, and then sign the document? What about those that were forgotten? The Federalists argued that the Bill of Rights was unnecessary because individual liberty was protected by your state Declaration of Rights. And so, as a Marylander, I could rely on a very broad definition of individual rights in the Maryland Constitution of 1776, and that was the appropriate place. There was no danger from the national government.